This is my 8650 10S 4P. 10S because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4P. These are the LG HG2s, 300 milliamps, and I'm showing you guys because this is a dead pack, and I'm showing you why it's dead. Look at that. We got one right there. And then we have, it's one. I took off the BMS and stuff like that. The wires for the BMS. I didn't cut them, I just desoldered them and put it to the side. So anyways, we got one blown out. I thought we had more than that. They all look good. Get one blown out. We gotta do a double check. Oh yeah, there's another one. So it's two I gotta replace. Yeah. So anyways, get one of these cells out just to compare them. Oh, not that much bigger. Well, I'm out. I'm gonna try to break these up. I'm gonna try to bring them back to life and wait about a week and see what happens. Hello everyone, we're back again with these 1865 batteries, and I know I'm in the middle of this video. I just want to make sure clearly I'm not professional, I'm not licensed, I'm just learning about batteries. So anyways, we're going to be moving on. So I showed a video previously about this packer here, and when I turned on it was straight dead, basically. So now I bought this TP45's 1865 holders, and I've been waiting 48 hours almost, or basically, and from 0.002, this one is now a 3.94. And I was trying to figure out, how do I know these are dead? Well, when I turn this on to continuity, you can hear it beep, right? And I got this cell right here. And nothing. Straight dead. So, and when I look at it visually, oh, it's kind of dark, but it's really not that damaged other than I ripped off the coating. So anyways, I was looking at the pack a couple minutes ago, and I noticed this pack right here is 4 cells that not hooked up, they're just hot glued side by side. And I was checking for continuity. See, that one's good. And I checked the second cell. It's good. Third cell, good. Fourth cell, good. But when I go back to this cell and check for continuity, nothing. So that's the way I figured it's no good. And then when I test it, shows 3.6 volts. So this is actually a regular charged battery, basically. It's in good condition. So that's a good sign. 3.9. It's a really good sign. And then I realized, you know what? This sucks. Pulling out my voltmeter every time just to check up on it. That was kind of stupid. So I bought these little voltmeters. For the new edition of my charging board. And basically I'm just going to get all these batteries charged up, all equal. I think like 4.1 volts or something like that, or 4 volts. And then move on from there. Check like 3 days and check the voltage and see if it drops. And if it drops big time, you know the cells are garbage. I'm not trying to recycle all my cells. I'm just trying to recover them, pay good money for them. And anyone who buys cells, they know what I'm talking about. They're not cheap. You go on eBay right now, one cell, $10. It's crazy. These cells are like $1.50 in China, $2 a cell. You can get 100 of these for like $480 with shipping. Yeah, it's fucking crazy. But anyways, if you like it, give me a thumbs up. Maybe share it. A little bit of education. I got my sleeves to replace the messed up batteries. And so on, so on, so on. Well, thank you.